Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be comparing the camera of the HTC U11 Plus to that of the U12 Plus. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now I literally just got the U12 Plus yesterday and I have to return it tomorrow, but that is a story for another time. Rather than bore you with so much talk, let's get into this video. And the first thing is the hardware. Now starting with the U11 Plus, as it's the older version, it's got an 8 megapixel f2.0 camera up front there. If you go on to the U12 Plus, it's also got one camera, but then here it's got another one for, you know, depth sensing and portrait mode. Going on to the back, and on the U11 Plus is a 12 megapixel f1.7 camera, which when you actually go to the HTC U12 Plus, it's very confusing here. It's actually got a downgraded f1.8 camera compared to the f1.7 camera. So we see how that performs in everyday tests. When it comes to interface here, it is actually quite different on the U12 Plus compared to the U11 Plus. Some features such as HDR Plus and portrait mode are actually present here rather than having to go into a separate menu, which I love. And that's basically been it for a quick, tour of both the software and the hardware. But let's not get into much talk here. Let's start with the camera comparison. Now I've taken both photos and videos in the past 24 hours that I've had the phone. I literally am just shooting this coming back from work now, so it's been a very long day. I'm also going to edit it, but let me stop talking and enjoy the photos and videos. Now, one of the things I noticed while shooting this comparison side by side is the fact that the U11 Plus actually has a cooler temperature to it rather than the U12 Plus, which has a noticeably warm tint there. Now, in good lighting conditions, the U12 Plus had better dynamic range, but you really have to zoom in to see it. So yeah, it's I think marginal at best when it comes to the improvements here. At night, again, the U12 Plus has better dynamic range, but you really have to pixel peep. And if you are, let's say, uploading to Instagram or Facebook, I don't think there'll be much of a difference. But if you're holding both phones side by side, you will definitely see the difference. I saw the difference, and everybody I showed saw the difference. And the U12 Plus here has a telephoto camera, but I'm only going to be showing you guys photos taken with the standard camera there. Yes, so I've got a man here, the most awesome supervisor, eating. Not eating, man.
Yogurt and smoothie.
Healthy stuff, man. When I grow up, I want to be like you, man. I grow up, I want to be like you. So Amand is working and eating. Thanks for letting me record. Alright, so now going outside. Fred, say woo! So now going outside. Holy shit, it's hot. So now it's like 12 o'clock, which is like, I think, the most worst time to shoot. But yes, this is the quality you're going to be getting, both from the U12 Plus, which is on the right, and the U11 Plus, which is on the left. So I'm just trying to pan. As you guys can see, I've been trying to move fast so you can sort of see the stabilization features and all of that. But yeah, this is the back camera quality in the day. And hello guys, just came down. Ooh, that's loud. Just gonna wait for that to go first. Yeah, so just came down now from the office to have my lunch. And one thing I noticed immediately here is, number one, I look good. Thank you. And number two is like there's I think there's a yellowish orangish tint on the U12 Plus as opposed to the U11 Plus, which I think looks a bit more natural here. Yes, I am chewing gum. I literally just did that, but yeah. So this is the kind of sample now for on both of these now. I really cannot tell, but I'm trying to look at the back there to see which one is going to try to save the back there, because I like coming here because it's like really contrasty. There's like blown out all the way there, and there's like really bright here. But anyways, yeah, let me know how, let's say for example here, if you look at my forehead, you can see on the U12 Plus it's not like this shiny as opposed to on the U11 Plus, which actually controls it pretty well, which is actually very interesting. Anyways, that's basically been it for this front camera day test. When I'm heading back home tonight, I'm going to be shooting the night test as well, and you guys can let me know as usual in the comment section below which one you think is actually better here, the U12 Plus or the U11 Plus. And this is the front camera night test of the HTC U12 Plus versus the HTC U11 Plus. And yes, I've come back to the same place that I came in the afternoon, because yeah, I told you guys I was going to come back to the same place. But yes, this is the kind of night quality, though it's not probably, or maybe it's just how the phone is actually. And same observations I had in the day, like on the U11 Plus is sort of warmer and cooler, while on the U12 Plus is actually warmer here. And actually at night now, I think the U12 Plus actually correctly represents what I can see here. Also, I'm going to be switching between like the sound as well, so you guys can let me know what you feel about the sound. But yes, that's basically been it for the front camera video comparison of the U11 Plus versus the U12 Plus. Let me know what you feel in the comment section down there below. And this is the back camera video test of the U12 Plus. What am I kidding? You already know which phones I'm comparing right now. So it's really loud, but like if you look at where I came from, it's like completely dark. But I mean, from here it is very noisy. I don't know how it would translate to the computer, but I am literally just walking here. Yeah, one thing I've also, what I've been saying all along is the fact that on the U12 Plus it's way warmer. Not way warmer, but warmer than on the U11 Plus, which is sort of cooler. So yes, this is, and you guys can sort of see the stabilization as well as I walk side by side of these two devices here. But if I'm giving my professional opinion, I would say it's really hard to tell the difference really. I would say, well, I think I'm going to be wrapping up soon, so you're going to see what I'm going to say anyways. But yes, this U11 Plus versus U12 Plus. And welcome back from those videos and photos there. Now basically what I noticed all throughout all the videos and photos taken with both devices is the fact that the U12 Plus warmer definitely, the U11 Plus cooler definitely. Like that I noticed throughout all the whole thing. And another thing I noticed is that even though the U12 Plus technically is a downgrade from the U11 Plus, because this is f1.7, this is f1.8, it actually resolves details and has better dynamic range better, because I think the processing here is also better than on the U11 Plus, barring any future software upgrades, that is. Anyway, that's basically been it. If you cannot tell, I basically have had so many takes of these videos already because I'm like super tired. I just came back from work. It's been a very long day. So please, if you really like the stuff I'm doing here, consider subscribing, supporting me by, supporting my Patreon there, or, just sharing these videos with your friends and family. And also, please let me know what you think. I think I said that on my test so many times, but yeah, let me know what you think. A huge shout out to Cherry from HTC. I finally met her, and, she came to give me the device, to pass me the device. Thank you, Cherry, and thank you to everybody at HTC and who is watching right now. I really love and care for you, and I shall catch you next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.